If you want to strike through text on WhatsApp, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to format your messages. First, open the WhatsApp app and go to any chat. Now, tap on the text field and type your message. For example, you can type hello. Next, to apply strike through, you need to add a special symbol. Then, in the corner, tap on the 123 symbol. Simply place a tilde at the beginning and end of your text. So it should look like this: hello. Once you do that, WhatsApp will automatically convert it into strike through text. Now just tap on send, and your message will appear with a line through it. So, yeah, that's how you can easily use strike through text on WhatsApp and make your messages more creative. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple WhatsApp tips. Thanks for watching.